Shaka's crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm back with just a little share again from my inspiration from Lisa Mears, Card Designs here on YouTube. And I'm just sharing another batch of cards that I made based off of a video that I watched from Lisa Mears. She's inspired me. Some of the cards I made are exact ones that she did on her video. Some might be altered just a little, and then some I might have come up with by myself. But let's get started in the share. This card stamp, I think, might have been October's card kit from the Stamps of Life. And so this is the first one. And all of these, all this material came with the kit except for the ink. But the stamps came with the kit, the ribbon, the cardstock. You'll see pattern cardstock, some other embellishments. Here's another. And it came with dies that you're able to cut out these leaves, the pine leaves. And actually this stamp set is from a previous month's club kit. It was not from this month's kit. But same from Stephanie Bernard Stamps of Life. And then there's this one. And one thing, so every kit you get a 6x6 pattern paper pad, and most times in the Die Hard Club you get dies that will cut out some of the images in the pad. And so like these pine cones were images on a page, and the die cut them out, which made it easy so you don't have to fussy cut. And I believe you got dies for the pine cones and for the pine leaves. Here's another. And see, so this one, the die comes with the offset as well as the die itself for the pine cones. And so I use the offset to cut these out, and then I use the die and the offset, and that's what you see here. And this paper was in the paper pad. Cool, huh? And then this one, and it's got little glittery, supposed to be a snow effect. Cute, huh? And then there's this one, which I believe most of these I followed exactly what she did in her video. I might have like maybe added these and she didn't add them on her card. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But whatever helps get my juices flowing for my creativity, I will take it. And then the last one is this one. And these snowflakes, they're wooden snowflakes that came in the kit. And I just stamped them in a stamp pad. And then I embossed them with clear emboss a few times. You can't tell that. I mean, maybe you could tell there's embossing on it, but I was just trying to get this to be some kind of color like this and not the wood. I didn't like how the wood looked. But that are the last I made with those card kits. So anyway, I thank you guys for stopping by. Stay tuned for more card kit inspiration and cards. And thank you guys for stopping by, like I said, and I appreciate all of you. I have just hit over 200 subbies. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for all your love, your support. I really appreciate it. I'm going to get ready to do a giveaway here probably after the new year to celebrate my 200 subscribers. And just thank you. So stay tuned for that celebration giveaway. Like I said, it'll probably be after the new year. And I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And I will see you in my next video. Shakas!